Hey guys, it's day 7 of 366 songs. Today I've been walking up and down the beach. It's been a beautiful day for it. I've been really thinking about our planet and the bushfires that are happening right now all over Australia. And I really only have one song in my head right now, and Kara is going to love me for this because it's more Disney. It's Colours of the Wind from Pocahontas. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoy it. Like, share, subscribe if you like. Chuck out some comments about songs that you guys want to hear me sing. If I know them, I'll get them out there. But here goes. You think you own whatever land you land on. The earth is just a dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you'll learn things you never knew, Have you ever heard the wolf cry to a blue corn moon? Or ask the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come run the hidden pine trails of the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the earth. Come roll in all the riches all around you. And for once never wonder what they're worth. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The heron and the otter are my friends. And we are all connected to each other in a circle, in a hoop that never ends. Have you ever heard the wolf cry to a blue corn moon? Or let the eagle tell you where he's been? Can you sing with all the voices of the mountains? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? How high does the sycamore grow? If you cut it down, then you'll never know. And you'll... I'm sorry. My dog is just ripping palm fronds off behind me. And you'll never hear the wolf cry to a blue corn moon. For whether we are white or copper-skinned, you need to sing with all the voices of the mountains. You need to paint with all the colors of the wind. You can own the earth and still all you'll own is earth until you can paint with all the colors of the wind. Well, that was slightly hilarious, thanks to my new darling dog, Luca. She's an adoption puppy, and she's so funny. Hopefully I'll see you guys tomorrow with no distractions. Have a good night. Bye!